Well, folks, it was a whirlwind week for stocks. And listen, all the doom and gloom continues to sort of trip off the lips of the mavens and experts, while the major indices just simply edge higher. Now, underscoring the difference between the hype, the hysteria, and all the fear-mongering versus reality, the best performing index this week was the one with the greatest exposure to China in this escalating trade battle. Of course, I'm talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's rallied more than 2% this week. And by the way, it's joined its brethren in the plus column for 2018. Investors have been looking at the Dow and its components for some deep value investment opportunities. I mean, consider this. In January, the NASDAQ composite was up 104% since 2013, and the Dow was up 69%. Today, the NASDAQ, which, by the way, closed at an all-time high, up 116%. The Dow's up only 61% from that time period. This is why industrial names like Cummins Engine, Parker Hannifin, they were buys today. People went out there and bought them. Now, the Dow itself closed above 25, it closed pretty strong, but the big buy signal to really get aggressive, 25,322. I think that's when you'll see a stampede of buying. As for the broader market, the S&P 500, all sectors rallied except for the safe havens, utilities, and real estate. Technology, the big winner for the week. But I got to tell you something. Netflix has been getting pounded the last couple of days, and this ahead of their earnings release on Monday. Now, the stock of the week, the stock of the year, the stock of the decade, Amazon. I'm also starting just calling it the wrecking ball, right? It surged again, and this time leaving tire treads on Cisco and a whole lot of others. There's a report out now that this company will be getting into those high-tech switching, all of that stuff next year. Cisco, the big loser. Overall, though, I got to tell you, I'm thrilled, and I think this is one of the best weeks of 2018. And I implore individual investors to sort of stop listening to what Wall Street mavens say and warn you about all the time, and watch where they're putting their money.